Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Oh, be careful, Eranomigo, Tony, be careful of Eranomigo. Eranomigo, my balance, Eranomigo, although investigating you're doing, it's an investigator. You understand? A security man is an investigator. No, he had used against to her in 2023. So be careful. Imagine why aku, agbagie, eosi, akwanya my bekan. Eranomigo got report to where my be but America. We met like Canada, but then I'm going to see. You came to Italy where I'm going to a police in where a carabinero do track with Italy. So be careful. I'm going to be ever for or hack by on MG, a corner MG, a quemg, Redota. Why got deceived bois, a co MG. But when we are behave now, you're not behaving like a baby. You are a big boy, so act like a big boy. You understand? Election is gone and it's gone. I vote in the Obaseki winning, so let Obaseki concentrate and do the needs. Emaniro view of our election about where do I jerry? Etegari you ball where it's one jerry with my balance. But the enemy where with my day okay. You understand? So about Noga. Even the only time when Eranomigo away with no review, we are not winning, it was just for election period. Near making a win inside here. When Eranomigo Rovia, a governor, Rovia, one little governor here, when not bat, Eruwe Rovia is a yamu, Rovia Kafteunsa, Rovia no Wamagbe, Rovia Kobe. Robier Sandroka, Sandra Bogun, Ruby, Abu Miam. Abatu were Miam and Webe Jojana during 4+4 talk back. Who were Miam and Bambana? Where I Zologe, Eranomigo Latian. And I went to Zolo when I get a Edo Ligi. About I'm even a Romanic banner. I'm even a Monaco Kowa. I'm even a normal buto. Understand even now? Normal janek be vous election period diem eru wara korba o agbira menu men akba menu men akba baba with this man one man squad mo pa o magu wado vie vie no ga yini because yin wo kekigare gbe na yaga yisunu. You understand?
Yes, so my people, now well done. Welcome back to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel. On a day, we hope everything okay, everybody okay. If not so, make we give thanks and praises to God Almighty. Yeah, without Baba going off, we do anything. I be waiting today, and of course today na weekend, Saturday. And I know it's dinner, so we know if you just do say we know wishing a very beautiful weekend and a happy one at that. Now, so it just be so on today's presentation. So with the feature Frank Victor, yes, Frank Victor come out now. He can't talk to many. He can't talk to many people. He can't even talk about many things. Now be waiting today, but three main people we say he can't talk to. Now be Clement Eranomigo, Tony Kabaka, and about Obaze. In fact, he can't even give Tony Kabaka advice. Say make it be careful for Eranomigo. Say yeah, why Eranomigo can say make it not they take Eranomigo or smile for granted or whatever. What he use and me say make it the watch. Say not be everything where they smile at you, not really mean you good or whatever. Say this one will be say Eranomigo can say Eranomigo can investigate just for 2024 election. And I be waiting there. They say can you start record? Say make Tony Kabaka just be careful. You get me? So and they can't talk to about Obaze to say about Obaze they behave like small picking because about Obaze a big boy according to Frank Victor say, but the way he counted they behave lately, say they behave like small picking. Say at least Godwin or Baseki, which is our incubate governor, say he don't already win, don't win the second term and he no go contest again. So which one about Obaze can they behave like small picking? You know? But later, in context, say, if you just give advice, passing what we say, he don't already give. Now, say, but he don't give the advice, we say, he won't give to them. Make them learn from there. Say, them be big guys, they know how to carry themselves, they know how to behave. Now, so it just be. So, my people, right now, I make we just join from Vito. I see one Saturday talk to these 3 people. I see one Saturday talk to Tony Kabaka. I see one Saturday talk to Clement Iranomigo. And I see one Saturday talk to about Obaze. Like, which I first talk, he still give advice to Tony Kabaka. Say, make Tony Kabaka be careful of Iranomigo. What other one are true or not, we don't know. But so, make we just join from Vito right now. I see one Saturday talk to 3 of them. And at the same time, I see one Saturday advise them. So just be so as we join from Victor right now. May Baba God continue to bless una family and hear me and do well. And once again, very beautiful and happy weekend to all of you. Man, hear me and do well.
So be careful, Iranomigo, Tony. Be careful of Iranomigo. Iranomigo, my balance. Iranomigo, although investigating, we're doing. It's an investigator. You understand? A security man. It's an investigator. No, he had used against war in 2023. So be careful. Imagine why aku agbagie eosi akwanya ma gbeke. Iranomigo ka report where my be ane America. We met like Canada with the Iranomigo so one here. You came to Italy where Iranomigo a police in where a carabiniero do track you with Italy. So be careful. I'm gonna be for o hak baro na yemeji. Ekona energy, energy, Redota. Why got deceived bua? Echo energy. But when we are behave now, you're not behaving like a baby. We're in you now, you're a big boy, so act like a big boy. You understand? Election is gone and it's gone. I vote in the Obaseki winning, so let Obaseki concentrate and do the needs. Emmanuel review of our election. About where do I gérer? You balance where it's one gérer with my balance. I do you where with my day okay. You understand? So about Noga. Even the only time when I'm Iranomigo or we not really we are not only it was just for election period. Yeah, making a win inside here. When Iranomigo Rovia a governor, Rovia one little governor here. Gwena bat eruwe rowie ize yamu rowie kafte unsa rowie no wamagbe rowie akobe rowie sandra agbogun eruwe rowie man abu miamia abatu we miamia man we jojana during 4+4 togba uwe miamia ne bambana we aya zologe Iranomigo ladin. Ana wena do zolo wela je o egbona yete edo nya ligi abati anyi na go mere gbana anyi na go na kokko wa ga anyi na no mo re gbuto. You understand me now? Normal jo jane gbe wu election period ye eru gwara kporokpa o ga gbera menu menwena kpa baba wo this man one man squad mo pa o ma gu wa do vie no ga yi ni because yin wo kekigare gbe na ya ga yisunu. You understand? Kate woni kagwe abat obazegun. Abati no more. Ero when one. Abati not tell me. What I told my brother. No understand? Eri ga nyi na go kan. Because when we do ya nyi na we nyi na go momo. Wa la no fen na go kpo fen yedu. You understand? Ya abati yoni kagwe ma on yasin awe nyawo guye gabe ogabe yotiku wotiyoni no do yasin na bati be ituni no ga no ma no yasin ni ani any ogani any gbagbe man understand. So you are what the advice kere ni ani academy do tene babe abi ko ne a group esugusugu ni. So no la na ga YouTube na ya after we don ya don na yo na wa mu da YouTube na vol gan na man understand. Any you know gbe yan fi yan ma na YouTube yan na wa talowe ina ga ka be pete Facebook one. So we get area expect YouTube na ya whatever. Man understand wa to wa mu 7 wa great na. So yes, so my people, it's all in the Facebook. Now I'm on YouTube live and direct. But when we are behave now, you're not behaving like a baby. We're in you now, you're a big boy. So act like a big boy. You understand? Election is gone and it's gone. I vote in the Obaseki winning. So let Obaseki concentrate and do the needs. Emaniro view of our election about where do I Algeria? Etegarian you ballot where it's one Algeria with my balance. I don't know where with my deal okay. You understand? So about Noga. Even the only time when amigo or we not really we know who need was just for election period. Yeah, making a win inside here. When an amigo Rovia, a governor, Rovia one little governor here. When not bat, a Rovia is a yamu, Rovia Kafte Unsa, Rovia no one magbe, Rovia Kobe, Rovia Sandroka, Sandra Bogun, Rovia Abu. Abatu we miami man we Jojana during 4+4 talk back. Who we miami and bambana. We aya zologe amigo latien. And when I do zolo we ladia. When I get edu nyaligi. Abati anyi even a gomeri bana. Anyi even a gomonako kowa. Anyi even a nomori buto. You understand me now? No majo janek be we election period diem eru gwara korokba. Oh, agbira menu men when akba baba with this man one man squad. Mokba or mangu wado of yevian waga yini. Because he ain't walk kigari bina yaga yisunu. You understand? Nula how imi ayo imi we because warete buna warete top na you are warodu because warodu kuna when now nyanga. Do wabe luzu wageni na we wo so gun we una. Yes so e do e meta kek bakon. Abati we na una na gba blame about. Date is a yamo win. Niramigo au. Wagon Iramigo wabati for do. Iramigo or wabati for do. Ramigo and my bomb my way. What am I going to Tony, if you have that guegwan, or talk bay, if you have that guegwan, be careful a bit on amigo. Iramigo, be careful the bit on amigo. Iramigo, my bomb, my amigo, be careful a bit on amigo. The truth is bitter. Amigo is an investigator. Already do investigate what I don't need. So be careful against Amigo. Amigo have a target. He have a plan. For coming to Edo State this time, he have a plan. Against 2023 election that is coming. So be careful against Amigo. Tony, we will go now. Not all that glinters are gold. A message now. Wagesebe Tony will deliver about Obaze. You understand? Amigo has never added anything to a life of Tony Kabaka. Instead, he has added pain, humiliation, rejection into your life, Mr. Tony. Yes, it is good to forgive and forget, but be very smart and very, very, very intelligent because the person you are dealing with is too dangerous. Amigo esuno agwe surieba ekuyeno tan alo Tony alo ekuyeno tan le amigo weduni e wanta ma when think that iwa time wa life and direct na time now amigo wa le rieba ekuyeno tan because he's coming to bully you again. He's coming already. Nigeria now pretend we are lawyer now. We are one. Yes, American. Yes, American. We are Kataka. The lion and the tiger come back together. Everyone now no good. We work back and work back with party. My brother, be careful. Be careful. Because why? It come better than I'm going to akbo bona eno. Irioji or mass stable. Or mass stable. Or kak begi Obaseki. Or if you go back accept Obaseki not begi. Is a yamu. You understand? So be careful. It's not a man that always stand by his word. This is the reason why I don't like Obamagbe. They are gathered good of music, do music. All time yes, I deal with APC and I stand with APC and I forever be for APC. You understand me? So be careful, Amigo. Tony, be careful of Amigo. Amigo, my balance, Amigo, although investigating we're doing, it's an investigator. You understand? A security man is an investigator. No, he had used against her in 2023. So be careful. Imagine why aku agbagie e osi akwanya ma gbeke kan. Eronomigo ka report we ma bia ne America. We met like Canada with the Eronomigo so no see. You came to Italy where Eronomigo ya when ya a police in where a carabiniero do track we with Italy. So be careful. I'm when the for o hak baro na yemeji e kona emeji e kwemeji ide do ta. Why got deceived bua e ko emeji e o hak baro mami we ye for why the yemeni udi la jan we ko umo fi wa gbi oruwa no e kwemeji. So Mr. Tony, be careful when you are here, when you are die Tony. Eronomigo has not contributed penny to your life. So care your life as a guy man where you be, and also you know go door. Care your life. Eronomigo day only day only. Oba go ba that do gaji. Okono care Jamai carry. When were you go sorry? That's the truth. No go sorry. Oh, you know one side. Abat la wo si Eronomigo ai. E kenati o wati o ha. Edo state o Eronomigo no. We no go we. E dey Eronomigo. You understand? Hey guys, all aware. Every knock back. Free, eh? If you are a big boy, behave like a big boy, behave like one. Hey, you got moving not good at it. I ain't with an amigo crossing many boundaries there. On an attack again, on no weapon or rebel in two, if you got we, and maybe Yaziri, maybe Yahweh. On no weapon or rebel in two, if you got we, and maybe Yahweh. Every no sooner. Why are we born a tight out to our feel no big gedo? Okay, kiarewa wariwa. We gonna wa biku you wane. Okay, kiarewa yako. You understand, no? No, yes, I say Nigeria can no man you do. Play Abuja. You understand? Aria do, not to try do. What do you know? No, you no you only no you see, no you na how name, hina. Why to say what they free in the streets? Because well, wa finu yedian, o wa gwagwan. Nene nu wa fiet wa ya do lewo de la doji. Wa ya ria duwa, e bi na wo ma se warema, ware webu, wa me format ya no ve Nigeria. Dem mat etabu wa do no wa o. Wa £50, $50 in Nigeria. Wa am camera what the phone of your yinyabo. Ne ya tolo ogi, via kwa obu wa ya mi ya tele na wo ma se. Kekiare wa wari wa, e me guys sa, ya o tu papa. Boss no. So I'll get back today, Tony Yakutaki, because when you are boss in here, big boy and big guys say working, so you gotta know how to sort yourself out. You understand? So Mr. Abbott, forget everything we don't solve. You understand? You be big boy. Forget it on amigo, let amigo live your life. You understand? Or you know you're amigo, you can even call him, sit down with him, for you to show that you are really a big boy. Or who are a terrorist, fine. For you to show that you are really a terrorist, track him one-on-one, when I drink together. Terrorists we know now make be terrorists, now me go save you. You understand? Do that as a big boy. You understand? And when an amigo, a Tony Kabaka will go a terrorist, Tony Kabaka, terrorist, Tony Kabaka. What's the way na ya lay a character Tony Kabaka now? What I do zero ubu, what he angle like Wari what Tony. When I do zero ubu, what like no back up or Tony. Why I really Tony? Why got to Tony me the well? Why you the Tony the black way? Why got a back up? Was in Nigeria? Why Tony? Why what was smart? We they look now, we know what they do because we found one back you up because you know say you deal with Tony, nothing go up to you. He influence, he will guide you. Now my plan be that one. Nothing say no help. We may help in one with Tony. No guide you. We about one young body by hey no. Well go where both is capping there or jacket money. You understand? But we America will feel like get Tony Robi Tony anyhow. Changa no to bon anyhow. But we well because when would you want it? So one of the use na IQ. We know the story. You understand? So I beg, wanna make peace between ourselves. I started boy. Eronomigo. I know you in Nigeria. No, I feel no. And I hear we boo in Nigeria. You know, Nigeria. You know. Forget you be American citizen. American citizen. God punish Nigeria. God bless America. God punish Nigeria. God bless America. That was the time That was the time when America did their independence. You came out categorically and wrote American passport and start laying courses on Nigeria passport and be blessing America passport. My brother, but today where are you? You are in Nigeria. I did talk to you that time. I say, my brother, if you say Nigeria not good, your parents did there, your brother did there, your siblings did there. If you lay curse on Nigeria, you lay curse on your parents. If you lay curse on Nigeria, you lay curse on your siblings. Today, where are you now? You are in that same Nigeria. Automatically, the curse you lay on Nigeria, you don't use your head carrier. Amigo, udege, imana menu me na me nwa sowe. Umya video no ne abe. No ni song amamia no hoy mamamia. When America had their independence 2019, you laid that course. That was when you did that video. You understand? If you not serious about drama for money, you will laying course on Nigerians. God punish Nigeria. God bless America. God bless America. America. Today, where you did in Nigeria? No nyakbaga to Passon, no man yago yaheku. One what can walk in young wine. American why you are. On your block man. So ordinary bolofwa. Yes, so my people. Already Tony Veze Abati, you don't know me. On bolofwa. You only go yourself, man. Stomach cost. Man, senior you don't. They are big boy that can settle themselves.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.